all of us have this internal barometer of what we want, but nobody gave us permission, especially as women, to check in with that and say, what do I want? Am I satisfied with this? And if not, do I have the courage to try something else? So here's the coolest thing, ladies, is that the female traits that once were devalued, right? You should be seen and not heard, don't speak up, you're too emotional. Well, it's the emotional intelligence that companies are seeking right now. And these inherent characteristics in women, like power with, collaboration, cooperation, connection, quality, sufficiency, is literally the aspects that these companies and leaders are looking for. So when you master sufficiency mindset, you'll be able to ground your confidence and reduce anxiety, especially for us high-achieving women. Let's let that sink in. How many high-achieving women do we have in here? All of us? Yes, okay. So know that you are enough, you have enough, and then you can also live in gratitude more. Detach self-esteem and self-worth from your achievements. It's a state of being, right? And make better decisions living in the now and not future tripping or pulling in the past.